Hi guys, and welcome to another video. So in this video we're going to talk about how to initialize an array using C++. So let's get started. The first thing we're going to do is to create a array. I'm going to call numbers. I'm not going to initialize, but I'm going to give it the number of numbers that we're going to have in this array. So let's say 8. So this is going to have 8 numbers. Okay, so this is an array with 8 numbers. Let's create our first for loop. You guys can see int I equals 0. The first index of an array is the number 0, the index 0. Let's do this while while I is less than 8, which is the maximum index. Okay. So the last number will be 7, but it's okay because 7 is the last index as well. So we're gonna print. We're going to increment in 1 using I++, and here what we can do is to assign. So let's say numbers 0 equals. Let's say let's initialize this array as 1. So all its value is going to be equal 1. So we're gonna write another for loop, but this time we're gonna show the values within this array. So let's do this with a cout function, and then I'm going to specifically try to show here. Let me see. Let's put between indexes like this. I can do this. Yeah. Let's just print I. Actual numbers I. I'll definitely look to more formatting in strings and C++. Okay, so let's just do this. I'm gonna execute, and we should see all numbers. Okay, as you guys can see here, we got 1. Yeah, we didn't. Yeah, there's something wrong here. Okay, my mistake, guys. I shouldn't put a 0 here. I should have put I. So this is going to be index I. So we are cool now. Let's execute, and we should see only ones. Okay, so we are seeing only ones. I could actually do something more interesting. Let's initialize I times I. So if I do this, I should see the index times itself. So the first index 0 versus 0 or times 0 is going to be 0. 1 times 1 is going to be 1. 2 times 2 is going to be 4. And so on. So you guys can see it's pretty convenient to do this, to initialize some array. So we definitely try to see more stuff here. So thank you guys for watching. See you guys next time.